Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Evidence 1.1 sunglasses in the black and gold colorway. And let me tell you guys, these are a very stylish looking pair of sunglasses. Getting right to its classic LV sunglasses box, slid it open, got the manual, this was the receipt and documentation and blah blah blah. And you got the box. This is your carry around case. This is the box and this is the case, right? So this is the case. Louis Vuitton. Let's give you guys a close up of the box too. And let's get right into the sunglasses. Also comes with a dust bag, an LV dust bag. I'll give you a close up of the inside of the case too. And for the moment, all we're waiting for. The Evidence 1.1. The story behind this, back in the day, they released an original pair of the Evidence sunglasses that was very popular, and all of the celebrities were wearing them back in the day, And so they did like a reboot of the Evidence, which is Evidence 1.1, which they released, I believe, in 2021. So these have been out since about 2021, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. They look way different from the original ones. If you guys want me to do a video on the original Evidence sunglasses, comment down below. But yeah, guys, pretty stylish. The square frame, got the big LV on the sides, on both sides. Got the LV symbols. Got some gold hardware on the top. Not real gold, obviously, but And made in Italy, Louis Vuitton. And I'm guessing this is like the serial number. And well, this is the date code, I believe is what they call it, the date code. And this is the serial number right here at the tip. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just a stylish pair of sunglasses, I'll say LV is up there with some of the best sunglasses out there. Very durable sunglasses. You wear and wear and wear them till you're tired of them and just be like, and then you set them to the side, and maybe 6 months later you're like, oh, I forgot I had this, and you start wearing them again, But one thing I'll give Louis Vuitton is like their sunglasses are very durable. The ones I've had anyway. So yeah, guys, that's it. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the video, please. And comment down below what you want to see me unbox next. And have a good day, guys. Peace.